We have our highest alert, a first warn weather day, in effect tonight through Wednesday. A very powerful storm system is on the move, bringing extreme wind gusts, blizzard conditions, and crashing temperatures. This storm is packing a punch, with wind gusts reaching up to 60 miles per hour or higher, making travel dangerous with whiteout conditions. The worst impacts are expected overnight into early Wednesday morning, with visibility potentially dropping to near zero in some areas. If you must go out, be prepared. Wind chills will make it feel well below freezing, so keep your phone charged, have an emergency kit in your car, and avoid travel if possible. High winds and hazardous conditions will continue throughout Wednesday. Stay updated by following us and turning on notifications